Okay, so today we're going to replace the battery inside of our key fob. And to do that, you need to press this button to release the key. And I use the key itself, and I insert it into this hole here, into this one here. Not the one where you just pulled it out of. You're going to use this to insert here. And there's actually a little tab on the inside of that. You'll hear it click. And this, to get this out, you can't use this, unfortunately. The little spacer there just isn't enough. If you have a little, like, I don't know, bobby pin or something, or maybe even just like a regular key, you can whittle that in there to dig it out of there. But of course, make sure you're careful because there is a computer board behind this, so you don't want to end up scratching anything in there. So don't shove it in there too far. You're just getting it in far enough to dig this out. Grab the new battery, put that in, push it down, insert this here first at the bottom, and push till it clicks, and then put your key away. There you go.